Welcome back, everyone. Atlantic City is known for its very impressive dining scene, and it's exactly where our next guest wanted to open his new restaurant. My friend Janelle Burrell joining us this morning in the studio to introduce us to this amazing chef. Janelle.
And he is amazing, Natasha. If you could only smell, you guys who are watching, how amazing it smells in the studio right now, because we have Chef Wenford Patrick Simpson. He is known for his delicious Jamaican cuisine. He's now sharing his amazing menu on the Jersey Shore in Atlantic City. The restaurant's called Simpson Restaurant, right?
Yes, it is.
And it's inside of Caesar Palace, ACX1 Studios.
Yes.
Welcome, Chef. It's so great to have you.
It's such a pleasure finally being here with you.
I know. Well, we go way back from our days, my days in New York. So it's nice to have you here and sharing your cuisine with the Philadelphia region in Atlantic City.
Yes, it's a big deal.
It's a big deal, especially because this is the first Caribbean restaurant in an Atlantic City casino.
In a casino in America.
In America.
Period.
Okay.
This is the first Caribbean Jamaican restaurant bringing the flavor to the casino platform, and no better place to bring it but Atlantic City Boardwalk.
Well, let's talk about it because I've visited the restaurant and the food is delicious. I'm biased because my family is Jamaican, so full disclosure, but tell us a little bit about what guests can expect in the cuisine that you have.
One of the great things about Jamaican culture, it's all about food and it's about flavor. So on the boardwalk, we're bringing some of the iconic dishes from our Brooklyn location, which is the hottest restaurant in New York.
Okay.
We have our MVP
here. This is so popular.
Which is the jerk oxtail over 5-cheese mac and cheese.
Ooh.
Our crab legs with our white wine sauce. This is our curry shrimp, which is real big. You can get a curry or jerk. And here we have our MVP again, which is the jerk fried rice with oxtail.
Okay.
Over here we have our brown stew fish. You can get it brown stew, you can get it escovitch, or you can get it steam.
Love that.
And we have our traditional jerk chicken, man.
Of course, what's Jamaican food without some jerk chicken, right? Let's do this, put this together. This is your fried rice, right?
So this is the fried rice, and the way I would put together, the fried rice get made, and after it get made, my chefs in the kitchen, they put it together where the oxtail is on the outside. So the thing about the oxtail, you can also have it with jerk shrimp, you can have it with salmon, you can have it with even lobster. Curry lobster on it. So there's so many different ways of how you can have it put together. And the fried rice, you can have it a jerk shrimp fried rice.
Yes.
Or you can have any kind of meat that you want to put on it.
And as I taste it, because of course I have to, you have a first location in Brooklyn, New York, which is by the Barclays Center. So popular. There's always a line. And
always a line.
You're already having crowds in Atlantic City too.
Yes. We've been open last week, and ever since we've been open, it is so busy. To get in, you have to make reservation. But even if you walk up, we'll still make it happen. And this is coming from a poor kid who used to go to the neighbor's house and beg for food. So that's how I fell in love with food from out of poverty, and give back and paying it forward. Open a culinary school in Jamaica, my way of giving back and providing jobs in Atlantic City.
That's so important. I mean, delicious food, providing jobs and opportunities, and bringing the Jamaican flair.
And bringing the
to the Jersey Shore, right?
The Jersey Shore.
Natasha,
I know. I can't keep my eyes off it, you guys. I could not possibly stay at the desk with all this food, Chef. This is amazing. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for
Simpson.
This is super great. You guys are gonna so enjoy it. Atlantic City have no idea what they're in for. They don't even know what they got themselves into.
I gotta get
ACX1.
Thank you.
ACX1 Studio, super great. Caesar Palace, they've been very supportive and welcoming, and the boardwalk. Atlantic City, we're not ready for this yet.
They're not ready, man. They're not ready. I'm not ready either. I can't wait to dig in. Thank you so much, Chef. We do appreciate it. And we're going to just toss to weather now because we've got to get to eating.
That's right.
All right, Kate, let's head over to you.
I don't know if there'll be any left for you, though.
No, this is not fair.
I know, Kate's in the other studio.
I can kind of smell the food from in here, and it's making my mouth water. So you guys enjoy that. There was a live look at Bethlehem. It is beautiful, and I'm heading right over there. Hopefully there's something left for me after this report.